here I am in my backyard, and as you can see, it is overtaken by weeds and grasses and other little thingies. And what I'm doing right now is I'm breaking them down, and I'm going to just cover this whole area with these boxes so that all the weeds will be suppressed, and will most likely cut out a huge chunk of the weeds from regrowing, because they won't be able to regrow through these boxes. These boxes can degrade really easily because they're cardboard and they're an organic carbon material. And this is actually just from a single rain that we had, and as you can tell, it's pretty soft. So I'm breaking them down, taking out as much of the tape as I can and other little tags, breaking these guys down right now, and this is what we're working with for right now. All right, so I'm here at one of my friends' houses. They have they raise rabbits, show rabbits, for our local 4-H here, and they have mounds and mounds and mounds of perfectly good, basically like just fine wood shavings and rabbit poop, and they just pile it up constantly, and they are just like, please take them from us. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna load the truck up and take it home. All right, so me and the wifey got all the cardboard down in this area. There's still a little bit left over, but we're just gonna focus on this area right now because I'm not sure if we'll have enough. But so I'm gonna take all this stuff and spread it throughout this whole area. I already wet down the cardboard to kind of help break it down and start that process. But yeah, we're gonna spread all this, do a pretty thick layer, maybe like 2 or 3 inches worth, and that will be the start base of this part of the garden.